The bachelor's degree in social work or BSW is offered by the School of Social Work at Indira Gandhi National Open University. The program can be taken up by anyone who has completed 10 plus 2. One can complete this course within 3 years and the maximum duration is 6 years. The program is offered both in English and Hindi. The fee for the full program is rupees 14,400. However, the fee keeps changing. The bachelor's degree program in BSW has three major components. The first one is the foundation courses, which is of 24 credits. Second one is the elective courses, which is of 48 credits. And the third one is the fieldwork component, which is of 24 credits. So the total credits of this program is 96. In the first year, the first course is Foundation Course in Humanities and Social Sciences, BSHF 101. It is of 8 credits. And second course is Foundation Course in English 1 or Hindi 2, FEG 1 or FHG 2. It is of 4 credits. Foundation Course in English or Foundation Course in Hindi or any one modern Indian language. This is also of 4 credits. Then there is the Introduction to Social Work, PSWE 001, which is of 8 credits. And then the Social Work Practicum 1, PSWL 01, which is of 8 credits. In the second year, there is a Foundation Course in Science and Technology, FST01, 8 credits. Social Work Intervention with Individuals and Groups, BSWE 02, 8 credits. Introduction to Family Life Education, BSWE 04, 8 credits. And Social Work Practicum 2, BSWL 02, which is 8 credits. Third year, we have the courses on Social Work Intervention with Communities and Institutions, BSWE 03, which is of 8 credits. Introduction to HIV/AIDS, BSWE 05, Substance Abuse and Counseling, BSWE 06, Social Work Practicum 3, that is BSWL 003. Let us come to the elective courses. The first one is Introduction to Social Work, BSWE 001. First block is on emergence of professional social work. This block explains the social work concepts and the emergence of professional social work abroad and in India. Block 2 covers the basics of social work. In this we discuss the nature, scope, goals, functions, principles, values and application of professional social work, the concept of voluntary action and social work ethics in Indian context. Block 3 introduces the concept of society, where we discuss the evolution of human society, the social processes, social change and social control. Block 4 is on social system and social subsystem, where we discuss marriage, family, society, culture, social stratification, and the role of state as a social institution. Block 5 discusses human growth and development, where we cover the personality development, the determinants of personality, different stages of human development, etc. Block 6 covers the basics of psychology for social worker, including the relevance of psychology in social work practice, basic psychological concepts in human behavior, defense mechanism, and many more. WE002, Social Work Intervention with Individuals and Groups. The first block is Social Work with Individuals. Here we discuss about the concept of social casework, interviewing, the fields of social casework practice, etc. Block 2 is on social work with groups. Here we discuss the concept and history of social group work, characteristics, principles, skills, models of group work practice, and social group workers' role in group work process. Block 3 is on social problems and services. Here we discuss about the social problem, social defense, etc. Block 4 is on general areas of social work practice, where we discuss social work with family, educational settings, healthcare sector, industrial sector, communities, and in correctional settings. In Block 5, Social Development and Social Work discuss development and underdevelopment, concept and dynamics of social development, concepts and type of economic system, social planning, social policy, and human development. Block 6 covers the basics of legal literacy, where we discuss the concepts of Indian Constitution, Indian legal system, public interest litigation, basic understanding of criminal procedures, and social legislation and role of social worker in legal assistance. Course 3 is on Social Work Intervention with Communities and Institutions, BSWE 003. Here, Block 1 is on community organization where we discuss the concept, principles, history, current issues, role of community organizer in different settings. Block 2 is on social welfare administration where we discuss the nature, type, scope, purpose of social welfare administration and as a method of social work. In Block 3, social action for social change, we discuss social action, concept and principles, strategies and tactics employed in social action in relation to community work, social action as a method of social work. Block 4 is on basics of social work research. Here we introduce the concept of social work research, the approaches, sampling, methods, tools, processing and analysis of data. Block 5 is on health information for social workers where we discuss the concept of health and hygiene, mental health, major health problem, healthcare services, social, economic and psychological factors involved in healthcare services. Block 6 is on empowerment of women. We discuss the developing a framework for gender-aware social work intervention and women's development initiatives in health, education, legislation, and in political system. The fourth course is on Introduction to Family Life Education BSWE 004. Block 1 is on Family Life Education. Here we discuss about the concept, meaning, importance of family life education and the role of home, school, religion in imparting family life education. Block 2 is on sexual health education. We discuss about concept and objectives of sexual health education and the role of home, school and media in imparting sexual health education. In Block 3, we discuss the facts of life where we discuss the early stages of human growth, the later stages of human growth, youth and their concerns. In Block 4, marriage, partnership and parenthood, we discuss the concept of marriage, forms of marriage, moral and cultural and social values in family life, marital life, and role expectations. In Block 5, in family welfare, we discuss the Indian family in transition, family planning policies, family planning methods, medical termination of pregnancies, etc. In Block 6, we cover the special issues in married life like psychosocial effects of divorce, separation, and migration, dowry demands and dowry debts, and legal issues involved in marriage. The fifth course is Introduction to HIV/AIDS BSWE 005. In Block 1 of this course, we discuss the basic facts of HIV/AIDS, where we discuss about the global and national scenario of HIV/AIDS, misconceptions related to HIV/AIDS. In Block 2, we discuss about HIV transmission and testing. In Block 3, we discuss about HIV prevention, socio-ethical issues, where we discuss the government initiatives, personal aspects, continuum of care, societal influence on HIV/AIDS transmission and prevention. In Block 4, we discuss about HIV/AIDS and vulnerable populations like women, children, substance abuse management, and workplace. In Block 5, HIV/AIDS education and care, we cover HIV/AIDS and its implications for individual, family, and community, HIV/AIDS education and behavior modification, and care of the terminally ill. In Block 6, AIDS, law, and human rights, we cover HIV/AIDS and law, rights of people living with HIV/AIDS, and HIV/AIDS related international legislation. The sixth elective course is Substance Abuse and Counseling, which is BSWE 006. Block 1 of this course covers the factual information on substance abuse, like commonly used drugs, the target groups, extent of prevalence of substance abuse, the drug scenario. Block 2 covers the substance abuse and its implications, like the link between alcohol, drugs, STDs, and HIV, its relevance in the present day context, consequences of substance abuse in the individual, and drug demand and supply reduction. Block 3 covers the prevention and treatment of alcohol and drugs. Here we talk about empowerment through education, counseling, referral services, and community responses, and the role of NGOs in preventing drug abuse. Block 4 covers basics of communications like concepts, types, process of communication, traditional and modern media of communication, interpersonal, group and mass communication, and use of media for promotion of HIV and family education. Block 5 covers basics of counseling like the processes involved in counseling, supportive and behavioral techniques in counseling, cognitive and psychoanalytical techniques in counseling, and the practical issues involved in counseling. Block 6 covers the counseling in HIV and family matters like family and premarital counseling, counseling on sexuality and sensitive issues, and existing trends in counseling services in India. The evaluation of BSW consists of 30% of weightage is given to the assignments and 70% weightage is given to the term end examination. And submission of assignment is mandatory for appearing in term end examination of a particular course. Evaluation of the practicum like BSW L001, BSW L002 and BSW L003 is done by the supervisor who is allotted by the study center. For the rest, it is sent to the student evaluation division for external evaluation. For more clarification, please write to bswinfo@ignou.ac.in. Thank you.